Here's another product that I use and love. If I don't love it, I don't recommend it. This spatula set by HOTEC is made specifically for eggs. However, we use it for everything. We love that it's silicone, so they won't scratch your cookware. And I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, but there is a little indentation here for your thumb, which is nice, makes it a little ergonomic. We use them actually for all kinds of things. Because of the angle, something about that, you can just really get up under the food nicely. And because they're slatted, they also seem to scoop up the food really well. Again, they don't scratch. They are dishwasher safe. They're very handy. They're not floppy at all. They're firm on the inside, but yet silicone on the end. And the end is actually a little bendy, which is nice when you're making eggs. So get yours in the description below if you're looking for a nice silicone spatula set. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up.